Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to draw this simple 3D model in Fusion 360 software. So, if you observe, there is one vertical part and one horizontal part. So, in Fusion 360 software, first we have to create 2D drawing for this horizontal part, and then we can add thickness 12 mm by using extrude command. And similarly, we can draw a rectangle of 12 by 30 and we can add the thickness 25 by using extrude command. So go to create and select create sketch command. So here first we will draw the horizontal part. So I will select this horizontal plane. Then we will draw this profile. So I will select this at this point. So by using line command, start from this end, this horizontal line, then this vertical line. Then we have to draw this arc. So in line command itself we can draw the arc. So from this point, click mouse button and drag the mouse so that we will get circular arc. Then close this loop. Then here it is one concentric circle. So take circle command and with this center draw concentric circle. Now we will give the dimensions. So here this outer circular arc, it is of radius 25. So diameter is 50. So select this dimension command. Select this circle, outer circle, and give the radius 25 mm. Then this inner circle, it is of 25 diameter. So enter 25 diameter. Then this line should be vertical. So here we can select vertical horizontal constraint and select this line. So it will become vertical. Then length of this line is from this center to this corner, it is 65. So select dimension from this corner up to this center, it is 65. So in this way we have drawn 2D profile and this sketch is black, so it is fully constrained. So select finish sketch. If it is not converted into 3D, click on this home to get 3D view. Then select this extrude command. Then select this profile. We can click and drag the arrow to give the thickness. So here thickness is 12. So we can enter here 12 and press enter key. So we'll get this base plate. So here we have to draw this rectangle on this surface and then we can extrude by 25 mm distance. So we can select create sketch command, select this surface, and at this end we can draw rectangle. So select rectangle command. From this corner we can draw rectangle like this. So it is 12 by 30. Press enter key. So we have drawn this rectangle and it is black, so fully constrained. So click on finish sketch and click on this home button. Then we can use extrude command and this rectangle will be extrude by 25 mm thickness. So give 25 mm thickness and press enter key. So in this way we have drawn this 3D model. To get orthographic views, that is front view, top view, side view on a sheet, we can go to design, drawing, and from design give the name, orthographic views from given 3D model. Click save. Then keep this by default. Press OK. Then we will get one sheet, and along with this we will get one base view. So place that base view and press this OK. So here we can see this view, it is from this direction. So it is right hand side view. So we can place on left hand side according to first angle method of projection. And then we can project front view from this like this. Then from this front view we can project top view like this. Then from this front view we can project isometric view like this. Press enter key. If you want shaded portion, then double click on this and select shaded and close. If you can click and drag the mouse to place this object at required location, and by using this dimension we can give the different dimensions like this. So in this way we can give the dimensions by using this dimension command. Then to convert into PDF we can select export PDF, click OK, give the name for this PDF, select path desktop and save. And here we can see the PDF generated. And we can take printout of this PDF. Thank you.